In today's video, I'll be making Oha soup with a twist. Today's recipe, I'll be adding some periwinkles and sea snails into my Oha soup. I'll also be using cocoyam and palmnuts to make Oha soup. If you want to learn how to make this delicious Oha soup recipe with cocoyam and palmnuts, stay tuned and let's get straight into the video. This is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. Here I have my Oha leaves and some palm nuts. The first thing I'll be doing is to select the palm nuts, wash and boil them. So my fire is on now. Transfer my pot with enough water to cook the palm nuts. Then I'll be transferring my washed palm nut into the pot. Cover to cook till soft. Then in another pot, here I'll be boiling the meat for this recipe. So I'll go ahead, add the meat, my beef, then pomo, which is the cow skin, and some washed stockfish. So after that, I'll be adding chopped onion, seasoning cube, and I'll also add some salt to taste. Then I'll cover the pot and allow it to simmer for a few minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes. While it's doing that, I'll be picking and be selecting the Oha leaves from the stem. If this is your first time on this channel, like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more easy food recipes. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified each time I upload a new video. In making Oha soup, you use only the soft and tender Oha leaves for Oha soups. So I'll be selecting only the soft leaves, the tender ones to be used for this recipe. The strong and hard leaves will be thrown away. We don't need them. Oha leaf is also known as African rosewood leaves. Oha is a good source of dietary fiber and very rich in antioxidants. 3 minutes later, let's check the meat on the fire. I'll be giving it a stir. Then I'll be adding more water, enough water to cook the meat proper till soft and tender before we'll be using it for this soup. So I've added enough water, then allow it to cook till soft. Meanwhile, I'll be checking the palm nuts. I'll be using my fingers to press the palm nut to check if it is cooked. It's still strong, so not yet cooked. After a few minutes, I'll be checking again. I'll give it another press, and this time it peels off, so the palm nut is cooked. I'll be turning off the heat. I'll bring down the palm nuts, drain off the water with a sieve, then I'll be transferring the palm nut into my little mortar. The pounding is to separate the skin from the nuts. I'll be pounding gently and carefully to avoid cracking the nuts. When I'm done pounding, the next thing I'll be doing is to prepare the cocoyam. To prepare the cocoyam, I'll use a small knife, remove the hairs from the cocoyam, every dirt and hairs from the cocoyam, from the back of the cocoyam. After trimming and cleaning, I'll go ahead, wash the cocoyam with some water, transfer it into a pot, and cook the cocoyam till it softens. The type of cocoyam to be used for this recipe is the smallest species of cocoyam. I'll cover the cocoyam to cook, then check the meat, how far it has gone. The meat is cooked now, soft and tender. The meat is ready. I'll cover it up The next thing I'll be doing is to extract the palm nut juice from the pounded palm nut. So to get the juice, I'll be pouring some hot water over the pounded palm nuts. Give it a good stir. Then go ahead and use a sieve to sift it. I'll be draining out the liquid. The liquid is the palm nut juice, which I'll be using for this recipe. After sifting, here is the palm nut juice, which will serve as our oil for this soup. Then the next thing I'll be doing is to pick the uziza leaf. I'm going to be using uziza leaf for this recipe. Uziza leaf is also called pepper leaf, which gives your oha soup that African aromatic flavor. After picking this, let me check the cocoyam on the fire. To know when your cocoyam is cooked, pick one and give it a press. If it feels soft, then the cocoyam is cooked. Now the cocoyam is ready. I'll go ahead and drain out the water, then peel the skin of the cocoyam, drop them into my small mortar, and pound the cocoyam into a smooth paste. This is best done while the cocoyam is still hot, so that you get a very smooth paste after pounding with your mortar. You can also use your food processor, but I prefer to use my mortar today for this recipe. The cocoyam paste will serve as the thickener for this oha soup. I am done prepping all the ingredients and they are all set now. And to prepare the delicious oha soup, I'll be adding some water snails into the already cooked meat in the pot. Another snail. Then I have my cleaned and washed dry fish. Then the palm nut juice. All the palm nut juice be transferred into the pot. Then the next thing I'll be adding is the cocoyam paste. The cocoyam paste is to give our soup a thicker consistency. So we add it early enough so that it will be able to cook and dissolve inside the soup. Then the next ingredient that will be going into the pot is the crushed Scotch bonnet pepper, the red Scotch bonnet pepper. And after that, I'll be adding in some chili flakes, just a little, then some crayfish powder into the pot, enough crayfish powder. Then after that, I'll be adding some seasoning cube to season and some salt to taste. After adding the salt, I'll go ahead, cover the pot and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, let me add a little more water into the pot. Then the next ingredient I'll be adding is the ogiri. Ogiri is a fermented native seasoning that is very good for oha soup, for African soups. It gives it that unique taste and flavor. Then cover to cook for a few minutes again. After a few minutes, I'll be adding the periwinkles, the shelled periwinkles. Cover to cook for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I will now give it a good stir to mix and combine well. This is a very special and rich oha delicacy. I call it oha soup with a twist. Quite flavorful with rich African taste. You occasionally give it a stir while it cooks and don't allow the soup to burn. Of course, I will not allow it to burn. The consistency of this soup is not too thick and not too light. Now it's time to add the uziza leaves to bring out that aromatic African flavor before adding the oha leaves. Both leaves were thoroughly picked, carefully selected and washed clean. then shredded into smaller sizes or sliced into smaller sizes. Now it's time to add the oha. After adding the oha leaves, I will go ahead, give it a good stir to mix and combine well. After that, just cover the pot and let it cook for a few minutes. Oha soup can be paired with any swallow of your choice. You can pair with fufu, semo, eba, even cornmeal. Today I'll be pairing this delicious soup with African fufu. I love my fufu anytime, any day. Will you be trying this recipe? Drop me a comment in the comment section. Let me know how it turned out. At this point, our delicious oha soup is almost ready. After giving it a stir now, I will go ahead, cover it up and turn off the heat. But before that, let's see the pomo, then the periwinkles. Let's see the water snails. This is rich and very nutritious. Give it a try and you will fall in love with this recipe. Let me cover it up now and turn off the heat. If this is your first time on this channel and you love this recipe, press the share button and like. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more easy food recipes. Remember, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified. You will be the first to be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you to my returning subscribers and thank you to everyone who finds time to watch my videos. I love you all. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.